Xbox.
Before we start, make sure to remove the battery and the power adapter. On the bottom of the laptop, slide the latch to the right and the battery out. Loosen the 8 retaining screws. Remove the access door cover from the laptop. Remove the 4 2.5mm by 8mm screws. Unplug the hard drive connector. Lift the hard drive out of the laptop. Remove the 4 3mm by 3mm screws. Lift the caddy away from the hard drive. Place the hard drive into the caddy and replace the 4 screws. Place the hard drive into the laptop. Plug in the hard drive connector. Screw in the 4 2.5mm by 8mm screws. Replace the access door and tighten down the 8 screws. Slide the battery into the laptop until it locks into place.
We hope you found this tutorial useful. All parts discussed in this tutorial can be found at partspeople.com.